2-minute conviction today is in communicating with teams, be clear, not clever. Sometimes we use technical jargon, buzzwords. We try and sound more sensible and superior and intelligent, and we miss the essence of our message. We can overdo metaphors. We can infer our message instead of being bold and clear in our statements. We expect people to triangulate, and in the process, we obfuscate exactly what it is we're hoping people take away. So here's what I try and do. Use the right balance of words, not too many and not too few. Try and summarize the message that I'm giving to people and what I'm hearing from them in return, and try and define the actions for follow-up to avoid disappointment and confusion. Guys, let's not be so clever for our own good that we miss our key message. Be clear, not clever. Have a great week.